I'm Allison Kenworthy, the founder of Homeworthy, and in our newest series, Home Away from Home, I'll be opening the doors to the world's most extraordinary vacation villas and hotels, brilliantly designed spaces where you can actually stay. Today we're featuring Don Arcangelo Al Olmo here in Sicily, where the owner Marina and her good friend Chiara will show us all the details you may have missed while my family was enjoying the pool. Special thanks to our partner, The Thinking Traveler, one of the world's premier villa rental companies. So enjoy and make yourselves at home. You're watching Homeworthy, where we believe every home has a story.
Hi, I'm Marina San Giuliano, and welcome to my home in Sicily, please.
Buongiorno!
Ciao, buongiorno.
Come stai, Marina?
Bene, felice di vederti.
I'm always happy to see you. Hi, Homeworthy. I am Chiara. I am a local specialist here in Sicily for The Thinking Traveler. We are a luxury villa rental company in the Mediterranean. We have over 300 properties, and this is one of our crown jewels. So from, set on the White Lotus, I come here and talk to you, have a beautiful chat about your amazing home. So this has been in your family for a long time.
Yeah, yes.
Centuries.
Was built è stata costruita da un mio antenato.
Oh, your ancestor built it.
Yes,
in 17 something.
Bravo.
I think. Oh, that's good. And you've lived here with your family when you moved from Milan.
Esatto.
What year was it?
L'86.
86. Wow. So you've raised your kids here. You've lived here with your husband Andrea.
Sì, sì.
Beautiful.
Assolutamente.
Okay.
Assolutamente.
And
sì.
when guests aren't here, you live here still. You enjoy it.
Certo.
È casa tua.
È casa mia.
It's your house. It's your home. So we are in the tiny town of Carrubba, which is close to Riposto in the east coast of Sicily. Riposto is about 20 minutes away, I would say.
Less.
15,
Less.
15, you're right.
7.
Even less. And we're right by the sea. You can see it from the terrace. We'll have a look later.
Yes.
And
we have a cliff.
Exactly. So you can have Etna on one side and the sea on the other, right?
Yeah, absolutely, yes.
And we have, your house has a main house, which is where we are now, with the big garden, correct?
Yeah,
And then there's another house, we call it the dépendance when guests arrive.
The small one. Okay.
Right? And then there's your quarters, let's say, where you also spend your time on the other building
Yeah,
on the other side.
Smallest than the
Yeah.
other.
And we're in the outside garden, which is what guests see when they come right in. So the olive trees. You like it when they have yoga here, don't you? When they do on the garden.
Behind the
look.
tree.
Yeah.
Behind the tree.
They just like to sit because the grass is perfect and the trees offer the shade. And then when they're done, they can have a drink and a cocktail and, enjoy the perfect day.
Yeah. Sometimes we prepare a long table
For dinner.
for dinner. Yes, behind
Beautiful.
the olive tree,
Of course.
and
It's
that's
perfect.
really romantic.
It is. It is. It is. You've had, I think, wedding proposals, wedding celebrations.
Absolutely. Yes.
Anniversaries, birthdays,
Everything.
everything and anything, correct?
Also my birthday.
Of course, which was this week, right?
Yeah. This house ha un'anima, has a soul.
Has a soul. I agree.
Yes.
That's true.
The house is happy.
It's true. I think you're right. The house is happy.
It's happy, absolutely happy. For the guests, the house alive.
So, I mean, having little children grow up here,
Yeah, sì.
one of the best things to have, I guess, was this gorgeous pool.
Eravamo circondati da limoni.
Oh, before there was lemons everywhere?
Yeah, everywhere. Like,
Oh, wow.
like
You do know your guests every day when they come here, they don't ever want to leave.
No,
I find them here
Stanno tutto il giorno nella piscina.
every day, all day by
All
the pool.
day,
I
all
know.
day.
I find them lounging, having a drink, enjoying the sunshine.
Yes.
And I see bougainville.
Sì,
There's
everywhere,
palms,
dappertutto Bougainville.
which changes color, right? Different colors.
Different color. Tu hai visto
Beautiful.
the
See, there's light, there's red and purple. I see orange.
Sì, sì. Assolutamente.
Beautiful. And it comes from everywhere, right? You brought some from your travels as well?
Yes, a lot, yes. Dalla Malesia.
From Malaysia?
Sì.
Wow. So now let's go take a look at the main house.
Certo,
Okay?
va
All
bene,
right.
perfetto.
Beautiful lava stone steps. These are everywhere, right?
Sì, questa è Lavingstone, sì.
It's beautiful. So the lava stone is all from Mount Etna, our active
Certo,
volcano that's
certo,
right here.
certo.
It's amazing. It's incredible. And this is Zara and this is Miro, and they live here with you.
They are my new son and my new daughter.
Your new children. Well, so you've decorated this throughout the years, right?
Sì,
There's pieces
con mio marito.
with your husband.
Sì.
From your travels, you brought stuff home.
Certo, alcuni pezzi sono della casa,
Okay.
from Casa San Giuliano.
From your family's home.
Sì.
Okay.
Sì.
Your husband was a collector,
Yeah,
so
sì.
he would bring things
Sì.
from other
Sì.
places.
E quando viaggiavamo, lui cercava sempre qualcosa di nuovo.
When you're
qualcosa,
traveling, he was
no,
always-
qualcosa di vecchio, non qualcosa
When
di
you,
nuovo.
when you were traveling, he was always looking for something old
Sì,
to bring
sì,
home.
Sì, per esempio questo divano
This couch
viene
so-
da Quito.
from Quito.
Sì.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Perché hanno avuto le dominazioni spagnole, quindi questo è proprio spagnolo.
Because they were under Spanish dominance, that's right.
Sì,
Of
sì,
course. So you
sì.
can tell.
Sì. E questo cassettone è forse il pezzo più bello,
Maybe the most beautiful piece
Sì.
of the house. Where is
Sì.
it from?
veneziano,
From Venice,
ed è del 1600.
from the 1600s. Wow.
E queste figurine
Mm-hmm.
sono di carta.
Oh, it's paper mache.
Brava,
It's not drawn
brava,
on. Of
brava.
course, of course.
E le hanno messe dopo, nel 1700.
So 100 years afterwards, they put these on.
Sì,
Wow. And these are Sicilian.
sì.
Um,
Sciacca, Caltagirone.
Where are the rugs from, Marina?
E vengono dall'Iran.
Oh, Iran. Okay.
Sì.
Beautiful. So you have 6, 7 rugs in this room.
I have more.
You have more. How do you decide where they go? How do you layer them around?
I decided I love this kind of color. I like the orange, I like the yellow.
The warmth,
Sì, the warm
the
color.
love, yes. And you move around things, you know? You
Sì.
redecorate.
Every time.
You change.
Every year I change something.
That's true. Whenever I come here, I go into a room, something's different. You've
Sì.
moved something
Sì,
around.
I need to change.
So this is a wax bust by Emilio Greco,
Sì.
and it's of your aunt Miki, who was the
Miki, Maria Michela.
Maria
Miki.
Michela
Miki.
Miki, the aunt of your husband.
Yes, it's the sister.
Of Andrea.
Yes. Sì, sì.
Incredible.
Yeah.
And this is for piece from the house,
Yes,
from
and
Casa
this
San
is
Giuliano.
The family.
So let's go into the main living room, but before we do, have a look at these amazing fireplaces. They're all stone, right?
Sì.
And there's 3 in the house and 4 with 1 in the kitchen.
Yeah.
It's and these are original. You've
Sì.
never changed them.
No.
Just sit on this.
Yeah. And the two of you.
Have my
È
little.
bellissimo.
So this is the main living room.
Sì.
It's incredible. And these are the paintings by your son.
Sì, Riccardo.
Riccardo painted them.
Sì,
They're
sì, sì.
incredible. So this used to host the barrels for the wine
Sì,
before.
sì.
And then you turned it into the main living room and
Sì.
you left that. So it's an original
Certo.
lava stone arch.
Sì.
Okay. And there's another fireplace
Of course.
over there. This is from Nepal.
Sì, è
Wow.
molto vecchia, è antica.
It's beautiful. Have you had to restore any of these pieces? Le hai mai dovuti ristrutturare quando sono tornati con
Alcuni
voi?
sì, altri no. Questi qua
Some yes,
erano
some
perfetti.
no. These
Questo
were
era perfetto.
as like
perfetto, perfetto. Questo pure, perfetta.
Same with this.
Sì, ma questa è più bella.
You like that one better?
Yeah. E questo è un piccolo altare.
Oh, you can deconstruct it, make
Sì,
it smaller.
Sì,
Oh,
sì,
wow.
per portartelo in giro.
Why not? Let's bring an altar with you.
E
Who
pregare
does it?
dove vuoi.
You've decorated this house on your own. So
Sì,
how
sì,
do you
assolutely, yes.
how do you like to, make a room comfortable, make an environment feel homey? What's your design choice? What do you think about when you decorate a room?
Io cerco il calore.
The warmth.
Sì,
Okay.
cerco il calore. Per esempio questi tappeti vengono dal Marocco.
These are from Morocco.
Sì, tutti.
You can tell a little bit, I think. they speak of, Northern Africa.
Allora qui il pavimento è pietra bianca,
White stone on the floors.
sì, è del sud della Sicilia.
From here, from the south of Sicily.
Sì.
Okay.
E quindi aveva bisogno di qualcosa di...
So it needed something to...
Assolutamente ho bisogno di qualcosa di forte,
And so Morocco comes in.
E il Marocco è venuto. I adore Morocco.
You've been many times, right?
Sì.
So warmth with the colors,
Sì,
the
per esempio questo
materials.
qua, questo è un tamburo,
Oh, this one?
tamburo cinese.
From China. This room is very warm with the colors and the wood and your son's paintings. It's very homey.
Grazie.
You're welcome. And these incredible, we call them giare in Sicily,
Sì,
and they're from here.
Sì, assolutamente sì.
It's incredibly rare to find them this big. They're either broken or, as Marina does, people keep them in their homes. It's incredibly rare to see one in this, shape. Well,
Così grande sì.
should we go to the dining room?
Why not?
Let's go. So this is the amazing dining room where you have indoor dinners.
Certo.
Because you try to do it outside whenever you can.
Ma certo,
But
certo.
if need be, we
Yes.
have here.
Normalmente non lo usiamo in estate,
Of course,
Ma-
in summer people prefer
stare
the garden.
fuori.
Yeah.
Per esempio in questo periodo la sera è ancora un po' fresco e allora non tutti amano stare fuori.
When it's a little
mangiare.
chilly, it's nice to be inside.
Sì.
Yeah, of
Sì,
course.
sì.
And look at these amazing plates on the walls. What is the story of these?
Loro sono della famiglia,
From your family?
my husband family.
Your husband's family, okay.
Sì, sono tutti piatti della Compagnia delle Indie.
Oh, the Indian company.
Sì. Sì.
Wonderful.
Del 1700 tutti.
1700s.
Sì.
So what happens if one falls?
Nothing.
Nothing?
I cry.
You can cry. What did you tell me about these plates on the bottom?
This one?
Yes.
Con loro sono uguali a quelli della regina Elisabetta.
Queen Elizabeth had the same plate.
The same place.
I mean, who would have thought that there's a twin set of plates in Sicily? So this was ordered by an ancestor of your husband, Andrea, and was what?
Ministro degli esteri.
Minister of Foreign Affairs.
Sì.
So we're on our way to see the bedrooms.
Certo.
The house has 12.
Sì.
It can sleep 24 plus one or two
More.
more if
Children.
children if need be, and every room has its own bathroom.
Oh, certo.
Of course.
Of course.
So it's divided into two wings in the main house,
Sì.
East Wing and West Wing,
Sì.
and then the dependance.
Bravissimo.
So now we'll
È
see
così.
one of the rooms in
Sì.
the West Wing.
The West.
Let's go. So this is Etna. It's the tiniest room of the house, but also I like to say with the best view because you can see Etna. She's peeking out right now, not entirely showing off, but this is what you wake up to when you're here. So every room has a name, right?
Sì.
And you've named some for your children. So this is
Questa
Ambra.
è Ambra. Esatto.
And then we have Terrazzo,
Terrazzo.
which you called so because it has a little terrace.
Sì.
And it's one of the last ones that have been renovated, right?
Sì.
Tell me about this, because I know there's a little history behind it.
Questo è un rampicante, un ficus repens.
Okay. And it was from the house. It was here.
Certo. E con il vento Lui era attaccato a una parete della casa, con il vento è caduto giù.
So it was sticking to a wall of the house, and with the wind, it just fell off.
Ed era pieno di verde. E allora ha detto va bene, lo lasciamo, è troppo bello.
It is beautiful. I mean,
Devo pensare cosa fare.
you thought about what to do with it. What about this light? Where is this from?
Questa è di Bruno Munari, è un,
Oh.
è un designer degli anni 60.
Bruno Munari is a famous Italian designer.
sì.
Yeah.
Sì.
And it goes perfectly well. This room is a great mix of old and new, you know, the perfect balance. Guests can go outside and enjoy the sunshine. And now, with spring, this is how it is.
Sì,
It's going to be like this
è bellissimo.
till October.
Sì.
What's the dog doing over there? What's Miro doing?
He tried to find some lizard.
I think he saw something moving. So, Marina, what do you think gives a soul to a home?
L'energia positiva,
Positive energy.
sì.
E da dove viene?
Da chi sta dentro?
It comes from the people that live in it.
Sì. E anche gli ospiti lo sentono, lo dicono, sono contenti e quindi danno qualcosa in più alla casa.
It's true. The guests that come here feel this when
Sì,
they come here,
sì.
and they say it.
Sì.
They're very vocal about it. When I come and meet them or show them around, they're always saying that it feels like a home.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to go to homeworthy.com for exclusive content, shopping guides, and so much more.